This is a sample make of my next sewing pattern release. See the link for yesterday's part 3. Next we will stitch the bust darts. Here it is, marked with tailor's tacks. Pin, baste and stitch and press down. The bust darts are stitched. It's difficult to see them on this fabric, but believe me, they are stitched. Next we attach the sleeves to the fronts. We are matching the single notches. Make sure you have the sleeves the right way around. The sleeve curve is quite pronounced compared with the flatter curve of the front. Snip into the seam allowance all the way along. It's now easy to match the curve. Line up the notches. Pin, baste and stitch. The sleeves are now joined to the fronts. Now to join the back to the sleeves, matching the double notches. As with the front seams, the curves differ. So again, snip this curve. Join the remaining raglan seam. The raglan seams are stitched and pressed down, or perhaps open, as this fabric is so bulky. This is the back neckline. We will now stitch the shoulder darts. I could have done this before attaching the sleeves. Pin, baste and stitch the shoulder darts. Press the darts open and the points flat. Next we will join the underarm seams and the side seams. Sew from cuff to hem. Pin, baste and stitch. Our garment is now looking like a jacket. The side seams are pressed open, and also the sleeve seams. Tomorrow we turn our attention to the lining. In the meantime, check out my sewing patterns on angelakane.com. All my tutorials are free, as well as useful templates and some free patterns. Thank you for watching.